Imagine a world where you can turn your humble $1,000 into a fortune, all with the power of artificial intelligence. Buckle up, because in this thrilling journey, I'm going to show you how I achieved exactly that, and how you can too. Welcome to the incredible universe of AI-powered financial success. In a world where technology is rapidly reshaping the way we live and work, it's no surprise that AI has now become a driving force in the realm of financial investment. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just someone looking to make their money work harder, this step-by-step guide is your ticket to transforming $1,000 into something truly extraordinary. Understanding the AI landscape. Before diving headfirst into the world of AI-powered earnings, it's essential to grasp the basics. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the cutting-edge technology that empowers machines to learn and make decisions like humans. In finance, AI is used to predict market trends, analyze data, and make investment recommendations that have the potential to outperform traditional methods. Choose your AI. Not all AI tools are created equal. Research and select a trustworthy AI-powered investment platform or service. Look for a platform that offers a user-friendly interface, comprehensive data analysis, and a strong track record of success. Remember, your choice of AI can make or break your journey to financial prosperity. Start small but think big. With your chosen AI platform in hand, it's time to embark on your journey. Begin with a modest $1,000 investment. This allows you to test the waters and gain confidence in the AI's capabilities. As your trust in the technology grows, you can increase your investments over time. Diversify your portfolio. One of the key strategies to success in AI-powered investing is diversification. Spread your $1,000 across various assets, such as stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. I can analyze multiple data points simultaneously, helping you make informed decisions for each asset class. Monitor and adapt. AI doesn't operate on autopilot. Regularly monitor your investments and the recommendations provided by your AI platform. Be prepared to adapt to market changes and adjust your portfolio accordingly. This active approach will help you maximize your earnings. Reinvest your profits. As your investments start to bear fruit, resist the temptation to splurge. Instead, reinvest your profits. Compounding your earnings can lead to exponential growth over time. Let it work its magic and watch your $1,000 transform into something truly remarkable. Stay informed and learn continuously. AI technology and financial markets are constantly evolving. To stay ahead in the game, make it a habit to stay informed about the latest advancements in AI algorithms and market trends. Attend webinars, read industry reports, and follow financial news sources. Continuous learning will enable you to make more informed decisions and maximize your earnings over time. Set realistic goals and manage expectations. While the potential of AI to generate profits is exciting, it's crucial to set realistic goals and manage your expectations. Remember that investments carry inherent risks, and not every decision made by AI will result in a windfall. Establish clear financial goals, such as a specific percentage of return, and be patient as you work towards them. Managing expectations will help you maintain a balanced perspective and make rational decisions throughout your AI-powered investment journey. In the exhilarating world of AI-powered investing, the possibilities are boundless. With the right knowledge, a dash of courage, and the support of cutting-edge technology, you can turn your $1,000 into a financial masterpiece. But remember, this journey is not without its challenges. It's essential to stay informed, remain patient, and adapt to the ever-evolving financial landscape. Your success with AI depends on your dedication and willingness to learn. So, are you ready to unlock the future and embark on your own AI-powered financial adventure? Start small, dream big, and let it be your guide to financial success. If you found this guide insightful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights on AI-powered investing. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this article, and please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your feedback fuels our passion for bringing you the latest in AI-driven financial success. Thanks for joining us on this thrilling journey.